Let's talk about community come up. Practice group economics. Buy houses that are in foreclosure. Set them up as community vocational hubs. Let's get into it. Turn a community vocational hub into an agriculture, cooking, and naturopathy hub. A vocational hub that caters to agriculture can share its roof with the art of cooking and healing. Because if you are going to grow your own food, you should know how to use it to benefit yourself and the community. Growing your own food saves you money on grocery and medical bills. The advantage of this combination vocational hub allows the farmer to bring the food straight from the garden to the chef in the kitchen and to the naturopath to use in portions as preventative medicine. For instance, ginger is popular in the culinary and medicine world. Ginger can be used in food, tea, dessert, drinks, and syrup. It kills viruses that causes cold, reduces inflammation in the body, and helps repair damaged joints and cartilage tissue, just to name a few. I know this because I grew up on ginger. And when I came to live in America and started having issues because of the food, I pulled out ginger. And everything I'm mentioning there is where it helped me. Farmers may choose to specialize in different areas of agriculture, such as equipment operator, using, adjusting, and repairing a variety of farm equipment to plow and sow seeds, as well as maintain and harvest crops. An animal breeder, selecting, breeding, and tracking traits of animals that will produce offspring with desired traits and characteristics. Farm and ranch animal farm workers care for and keep records on animals including cattle, sheep, pigs, goats, horses, poultry, finfish, shellfish, and bees. These animals usually are raised to supply meat, fur, skins, feathers, eggs, milk, and honey. Workers may even handle related machinery. Crop, nursery, and greenhouse farm workers now perform numerous tasks related to growing and harvesting grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and other crops. They plant seed, prune, irrigate, prepare planting bed, harvest and fertilize crops, and pack and load them for shipment. They may even repair fences and some farm equipment. Farmers' responsibility includes harvest and inspect crops by hand, irrigate farm soil and maintain ditches or pipes and pumps, operate and service farm machinery and tools, handle fertilizer, move shrubs, plants, and trees with wheelbarrows and tractors, feed livestock, and clean and disinfect their pens, cages, yards, and hutches, examine animal to detect symptoms of illnesses or injuries, and administer vaccines to protect animals from diseases. Use brands, tags, or tattoos to mark livestock in order to identify ownership and grade. Herd livestock to pastures for grazing or to scales, trucks, or other enclosures. A chef. In a professional kitchen, chefs will have a team of people working under them for which they are in charge of. In this team, Each person will know exactly what they need to focus on to get the dishes prepared and served at the right time to the highest standard. Chefs are well-trained professional cooks with experience in a professional kitchen. A chef is at a higher rank than a regular cook. If a cook is working in a professional kitchen, they won't have any say over the creative process involved in preparing the dish and will be completely under the chef's direction. The hierarchy is always maintained to keep the kitchen running smoothly. Chefs are known by a few titles. A sous chef, second in command, assists the chef de cuisine and supervises the kitchen staff. A pastry chef, master of desserts, and generally a bit more creative. Guard manager, responsible for the restaurant's cold dishes such as salads, terrines, etc. Chef de partie, also known as line cooks. They are in charge of one specific section, such as cooking the meat or sauces. Commis chef, usually an apprentice or trainee who will spend a lot of time slicing, dicing, and chopping so the food is ready to be cooked when ordered. Basically prepping the food to be cooked. Naturopath, sometimes called an herbal practitioner or licensed herbalist. Approximately 80% of people worldwide use herbal remedies as part of their overall health care. Herbalists use the seeds, berries, roots, leaves, bark, and flowers of plants called herbs or botanicals for medicinal purposes. What is herbal medicine? Herbal medicine, also known as herbalism or botanical medicine, is a medical system based on the use of plants or plant extracts that may be eaten or applied to the skin. Since ancient times, herbal medicine has been used by many different cultures throughout the world to treat illnesses and assist bodily functions. While herbal medicine is not a licensed profession in the United States, herbal remedies in the form of extracts, tinctures, capsules, and tablets, as well as teas, may be recommended by healthcare practitioners of many different disciplines as a practical way to address a wide variety of medical conditions. Herbal medicine blurs the line between food and medicines, a line that in many cultures was never drawn in the first place. Using herbs and spices that have disease preventative effect in foods is one of the best ways to take advantage of the healing power. For example, it appears that the daily use of the spice turmeric in curry dishes is one reason elderly people in India have one of the lowest rates of Alzheimer's disease in the world. Herbal medicine has been used to treat or alleviate virtually every possible medical condition. If you don't have a hobby, find a craft that you like. There are a host of crafts available to you. Find out who needs what you produce with your craft. There's always a need. Sometimes people don't know what they need until you bring it to them. Become an expert in your craft by learning everything about it. The more you know about your craft, the better you can exploit it.